Hello guys, I am Shahzad and welcome in lecture number 4. Today we are going to continue the SEO Screaming Frog, which is the tools, which is a tool we have discussed in our previous lectures. Okay, so now as you can see, we have the tools and we have discussed about the H1 images, missing alt tag. What happens if you click on the protocols? That means which protocols your website is using. My website is using the HTTPS for every specific instance or the request, so that's why it's showing me the 6,167 times for this record. So as you can see, this is the 0 HTTP request. You can also export this bad boy. Okay, so this is the internal links. So internal links are very important if you are working on page SEO. So this is the internal links. If you want to show the external links, so as you can see, it's a Pinterest and also it's a Google Plus and also Pinterest, and so these are the external links. Let's suppose if you have if you don't know about the external links, that how many external links available on your website, then definitely it will give you also the external links. You can also use this filter options. We have discussed the protocols, response codes. For this request, the response code is 200, so it's okay, but wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see, it's showing you the 404 not found. So now as you can see, 404 is the harmful for your website. If you talk about the SEO, you have to use the 301 redirect for this particular application. You can also count the how many 40 or how much or how many 404 errors available on your website. So 404 okay. So now I also have 301 redirect because I moved this record permanently from the old URL to new URL. Don't worry, we will discuss about the 301 redirect, why we use it and why we have to use 301 redirect. And you also have 404 and like this. So you can check the response type for your particular instance or the URL. Okay, now if you click on the URL sections, so as you can see, the related with the URL here, so it's hashes, length, and some other informations available here. Okay, click on the page titles. So now as you can see, it's showing me the titles. So these are the duplicate titles. I have 2622 duplicate titles for this particular website. If you talk about the over 571 pixels and something like that, all the information is available here, multiple or same as H1 or missing titles. So it will give you the what about the descriptions. If you are not familiar with the meta title, descriptions, keywords, don't worry about it. We will discuss about the title, descriptions, keyword when we work on the on-page SEO or when we discuss about the on-page SEO, so don't worry about it. So you can also find the keywords, that how many keywords you are using. So now as you can see here, showing you the missing 2720. Okay, so in this way you can view the information, so you can fetch the information or you can export the information. Okay, now how can you create the sitemap? Okay, now if you will discuss about the sitemap, how can you create the sitemap, but for now if you because I have thousands of pages, I have fetched thousands of pages or the links by using this website, and I now go to the file, save. So now I want to save this information, this all informations. So if you are not going to save this information, then definitely when you find some informations again by using this tool, you have to provide the link and it will start from the 0, and you have to wait according to the website 10 minutes, 20 minutes or 50 minutes. So we will discuss about some other things. like okay, I'm going to save this bad boy. So documents, I'm saying Shexy information. Okay, save. So I have saved this informations. Okay, now if you click on the files, it will give you the configurations, some other options. We are not going to discuss about them. Okay, so now as you can see, recent QLs. So I have shexy.com 5-star, B4 traders, digital sort, or some other websites we have QA. Okay, now if you click on the configurations, you can also configure the robotex, HTTP headers, proxy, APIs, and authentications. If you hover over the mode, it will give you the spider list SERP. If you click on the bulk export, you can export as a bulk. Let's suppose if you want to export the missing alt tag image, just click on this one, so it will export you as a CSV format. If you click on the report, so as you can see, it will give you the QL's overview report. Click on this one, go to the document, I'm saying QL's overview. So this is the overview of your websites, that site QL this one, and date this, time this, the summary of your QLs, number of pages 6412. So sorry for that, I have 6412 records. So last time I think we discussed, I told you that we have 10,000 records. Okay, now so you have a lot of informations available here. So this is the overview for your website. Okay, now when you click on the report, it will also give you some errors or some other type of report. If you click on the sitemap, you can also create the sitemap. Don't worry about it, we'll discuss about the sitemap in our later lectures, but for now it's fine, it's enough. I hope you are enjoying this series. If you think we are doing good, feel free to share our courses and also the videos, and definitely don't forget to click on the subscribe button because you never miss the update. So thank you for watching.